The next activity will be the Superman exercise. Superman exercise is designed to strengthen and improve stabilization of your lumbar and hip extensors. You're also raising your shoulders in an information. It's also a useful exercise for improving strength and stability in your shoulder girdle and upper back musculature. This exercise involves a spinal extension. It can strengthen your larger global extensor musculature, such as paraspinal muscle. To execute Superman, start by lying on your stomach with your legs straight and your arms stretched over your head, with the elbow at your ears. Activate your core muscles and slowly lift both arms and legs straight up to the air, keeping your knees and elbows straight. Perform 12 repetitions to complete your 1 set session. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that is Superman exercise.